How to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up this step. Open up Instagram, and then once you open up Instagram, what you can do is simply go ahead, normal process of story, posting your story. So what you need to do is select up a video of more than 15 seconds. So if you're trying to add music, you need to select up a video for more than 15 seconds. For example, this one right here. Once you've selected the video more than 15 seconds, what you can do is simply tap on the music icon at the top and then go ahead and select up the music that you would like to add. So here we have 60-second option, as this video is of 60 seconds. So it would automatically place the music according to your own video's timeline. So if you have posted a 60-second video, it will apply the song for 60 seconds. After that, go on with the normal process of posting your story, and that should do it. So if you're looking for music for a picture, more than 15 seconds for the picture, the limit for a picture is only 15 seconds. You cannot do it more than that. So if you're trying to add music to a photo for more than 15 seconds, you may use alternatives like CapCut to make the timeline of your photo more than 15 seconds and post it as a video normally and select up music, and that should do it. So that is how you make your Instagram story longer than 15 seconds with music. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.